We are on the western shore of Canandaigua Lake on Route 21, heading north, ready for today's adventure. Today we are taking a ride on the Canandaigua Lady. We will be doing the 2-hour cruise. It is it's 85 degrees day here in the Finger Lake. The Canandaigua Lady hosts lunch cruises noon to 2 p.m. from $33 for adults, $20 for children 12 and under. Dinner cruises from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. and it is $50 for adults and $20 for children 12 and under. And we also have afternoon excursions from 2 to 4 p.m., $18 for adults and $13 for children 12 and under. www.ctgalady.com. Besides the cruises, there's boating and kayaking right off the shore. The Canandaigua Lady is located at the northern shore of Canandaigua Lake, 205 Lakeshore Drive, behind the newly opened Hotel Canandaigua. It is located just down from the public swimming area and by the Twisted Whale Brewery. And some upcoming events: Murder Mystery, Drag Me to Brunch, and Medium Cruise with Daniel John. The Canandaigua Lady operates seasonal only. It's upstate New York and offers cruises with or without meals and some specialty areas right here. Note that some are narrated and some are not. Speaking of narrated cruises, it's time for us to board. All aboard, let's go! Anchors away, and we are on our way. We have pushed away from the shore and ready for a wonderful afternoon on Canandaigua Lake. A little trivia as we begin our tour today.
The Senecas were known as the keepers of the Western Gate, and they were part of the Iroquois League of Nations.
Now let's go outside and take a look at the paddle. The Canandaigua Lady is entirely motorized by the paddle. There are no rudders involved. As we take a look at the paddle, you'll notice to the southern shore, Naples, New York, named after the wine region of Naples, Italy. And it was the first region of wines in our area.
If you look along the shoreline, the average cost per 1 linear foot today is $8,400.
Oh, wow.
It's the most expensive lake today to own property on in the USA.
Yes, he just said the most expensive lake frontage in the U.S. Coming up on the coast was an original science camp that evolved into RIT, Rochester Institute of Technology. All the way down the coast, you can see many of the points. Here's the captain to describe them.
There's 13 major points on the lake. You can kind of see them as you look south. And they were all major steamboat stops. And if you look down at the Naples Valley where the lake wanders down through the hills there, Whistler's Winery got a start.
When they were naming different regions like the Adirondack region and the Mohawk Valley region, this region got named the Finger Lakes region.
And Canandaigua is noted as the thumb of the Finger Lakes. Well, as we pull back into shore, the sun is beginning to set on beautiful Canandaigua Lake here in the Finger Lakes. I hope you enjoyed your mini cruise. And until next time, subscribe and follow me back for some more fun in the Finger Lakes. Enjoy the sunset.